This video is going to show you how to install a reclining power supply, a battery pack that you would install into any piece of furniture that has a motorized reclining mechanism in place of using the plug. You go to the existing power pack that's currently in a cage, basically underneath the unit, disconnect the end that is connected to the rest of the unit that goes to the motor, basically. So there's a little flip tab here, a little locking mechanism that you'll flip up and disconnect that. Okay, and there, in between there is where you will join this male and female connection from the battery pack. It's basically only one way in and one way out, the way the connectors work. So you really can't mix it up in any way, shape, or form. The existing original power supply will go right back in its cage where it came from, because that will be the charger for your battery pack. Your battery pack will then simply get attached to this cage with a zip tie so that the battery pack is out of the way of the mechanism. Simply get a zip tie, a little bit difficult here. Simply place the battery pack even with the cage and zip tie it. And your battery pack is installed at this point. You can then lower your seat, and the chair should operate. The battery pack will hold the charge for about 30 days or about 300 cycles, 350 cycles perhaps. It depends on how much it gets used. But your existing cord or power supply is what charges your battery pack. You would just plug this in when the battery is dying and let it charge for about 5 to 6 hours. You'll be back for a full charge. That's it.